Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to solve talkback problem. Friends, you want to solve guys talkback problem on your lava phone, so now how to solve talkback problem. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to solve talkback problem. As you can see, you have your talkback problem, and guys now you are not operating your phone. So now how to solve this problem? So guys, talkback problem you can solve with your two finger guys easily. Friends, you can solve this problem in a law phone guys. Use your two finger and guys scroll it with two finger guys. Don't use one finger guys, you cannot use your screen. So with two finger we will scroll it, and friends you can see guys your phone setting guys. So we will click on guys phone setting, one tap here guys, and guys we will double click here. After guys phone setting guys, click on guys any setting, and guys scroll with the two finger guys. Don't use one finger. As you can see screen will not scroll. So we will scroll with two finger, and guys click on guys this assistant setting, one tap here guys, and guys continue to tap guys, one tap. We cannot on this, we cannot open this setting, so double tap continue, and guys again click on the setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see last accessibility guys, one tap here and get double tap here. Friends, you can see talkback setting here, we one tap here and we will double tap here. Friends, you can see use talkback guys, one tap here and we will double tap. Friends, you can see stop talkback button guys, click on stop button and double tap to solve. Friends, your talkback problem is solved on your lava phone easily. Friends, we can use our phone without any talkback problem. So like that guys, you can solve this talkback problem any lava phone and any Android phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your lava phone setting? Yeah, and guys you have any problem, so you can ask me comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye guys. Before going, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel.